Gauri Group of Companies presents beautifully manicured Gauri Excellency, a cradle of luxury and residential paradise. Gauri Group's dream of giving you living comfort with affordable prices is fulfilled by a project one of its kind. Gauri Excellency, with a fully integrated world-class residential complex, rising high and marking a new landmark on the Mumbai skyline. With the passion of building quality homes, Gauri Excellency is a 30-storied structure having 2 wings with super abundant apartments. This artistically magnificent apartment is strategically located at Kandivali West, near Hindustan Naka, Charkot. It is conveniently approachable from the Kandivali railway station, the Link Road and the Western Express Highway, with the comfort of public transport and upcoming metro line. Gauri Excellency has more than 300 flats of 2-bedroom hall kitchen and 1-bedroom hall kitchen, surrounded by enchanting natural brilliance and a peaceful atmosphere with 9-meter wide driveway. In all, soaring over 3 acres of land, soaking the excellence of your surroundings and casting a magic spell all around. Gauri Excellency is designed by internationally renowned architect, Hafiz Contractor, with the splendor of a unique elevation with aesthetic design and the precision of meticulous planning that provides spacious homes with optimum use of built-up space, towering above the rest to spoil you with necessities and luxuries. Surrounded by well-recognized hospitals, prestigious schools, and well-developed social and public infrastructure, Gauri Excellency offers a high-profile location which serves the needs of the elite clientele and abundant, well-planned parking spaces with innovative design and high-quality construction. For extraordinary indulgence, Gauri Excellency provides an eye-popping, grand main entrance lobby with air-conditioned lounge area for visitors, 3 extremely high-speed automatic elevators, a double staircase, and servants' toilets on each mid-landing. Each apartment has been planned in compliance with Vastu Shastra and designed with ample open spaces, huge living rooms, and sun deck area. The kitchens at Gauri Excellency will have a granite platform with separate cooking and serving platforms with a drying yard and a washing point. The combination of modern architecture with artistic decor gives the guest bedroom a distinctive sense of style, keeping in mind your convenience and exclusive lifestyle. The master bedrooms will have spectacular natural light flowing in and fresh ventilation with beautiful flower beds for enhanced pleasure. The designer bathrooms will have all the required facilities and branded fittings. Gauri Excellency will have a panoramic view and modern amenities like table tennis, chess, carom, etc. It also has a well-equipped unisex gymnasium and yoga room for keeping you fit as a fiddle. Gauri Excellency will have a beautifully landscaped garden and a huge play area for children to experience the beauty of nature. A neatly paved jogging track to provide a quick but pleasant jog in the early morning. Gauri Excellency, not only exhibiting beautiful amenities, but also facilitating you and your loved ones with world-class safety. Step in at Gauri Excellency and you will regain your zest for life with unmatched luxury and elegance. Gauri Excellency. Experience the elegance.